So the education programme is really effective because we have a comprehensive programme that we offer at the Discovery Centres where teachers can sort of choose a variation of lessons, any topics in a day, so they cover quite a lot when they come to the centres. And to date, since we launched the strategy, we've seen over 500,000 pupils in accompanying adults, and the strategy for Welsh Water is to continue that now into the future and see many more tens of thousands of pupils every year.
The education work that we undertake is vital for Welsh Water. It engages with our future customers, gives them an idea of exactly what we do, but as well as that it encourages behavioural change such as water efficiency or let's stop the block or reservoir safety.
I learned that you should not put the tap on when you brush your teeth because you might waste water and it might go down the sewers.
I've learned how much water we're using and I enjoyed it because it was helpful, so it helps you not to waste as much money on water.
I love that no 2 days are the same, and meeting lots and lots of different children from lots of different schools is really fun. I love the wow moments when children look into the microscope and the microscope's really well focused and they see a mini beast up really close.
Because schools are at the heart of every community, it's a great way of getting some of our business messages home to parents. So those messages then are disseminated right the way across the family then and friends also.
I will tell my mum and dad that don't waste water from the tap.